Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this 1-minute tutorial, I will show you how to close all open documents when we finished our job in Adobe Photoshop. If you press each X button of document, or press Ctrl W, it will ask you would you like to save this document or not. But when you have many open documents, it is hard to do for each document one by one. So in this situation, you could simply press Ctrl Alt W or go to File menu and select Close All. As you see in this dialog box, we have new options named Apply to All. If I enable that and select Yes or No, this command will apply to all open documents. So I press no, and as you see, all documents closed quickly. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.